So I'm going to show you how to replace the CMOS battery in the motherboard of your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure the PC is turned off completely and unplugged from the power socket. So make sure you completely unplug it. Switching off is not enough. Make sure you unplug the power cable. Now, once you do that, you just need to open up the case. And once you open up the case and you can see the motherboard of your PC, find out where the CMOS battery is. And this is what the CMOS battery looks like, right? It's a little flat battery like the one from your watch, slightly bigger and flatter. Now, depending on your specific motherboard, you might need to remove the GPU. For instance, in mine, I had to remove the GPU because the GPU sits on top of that little battery. Now, once I remove the GPU, I have now access to the CMOS battery. So what you need to do now is just push this latch this way to release the battery. The battery should pop out very easily. So sometimes in some motherboards, you might have a little plastic in between here, in this little space. And that little piece of plastic prevents this from, sorry, that little piece of plastic is supposed to prevent this from accidentally releasing the CMOS battery. So you can pull it out with a pair of tweezers or something. Just try and pull it out so that you're just able to push this away from the battery, and the CMOS battery pops out just like that, as you've seen. Now, once it pops out, then you can now get your replacement battery and put it back like this, and then push like that, and your CMOS battery is back in your PC. I mean, your replacement battery is back in the PC, and now you can put back your GPU if you had removed it, and then close your case, connect your power, and try to start the PC again. I hope that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and good luck.